Where we go? A ball, a doll, a robot. There are toys. Where we go? To the toy store. Now the next. Where we go, there are boys and girls. Where we go? To the school. Next. There are people waiting for buses. Where we go? To the bus stop. There are fruits, vegetables, and food. Where we go? To the supermarket. Now, listen to the mother and the boy. Where we go? Where we go? To the toy store. There are toys. Where we go? To the bus stop. There are people waiting for buses. Where we go? To the school. There are boys and girls. Good job. Bye-bye.